Season 5 Episode 4. Tamir Brown's second clone destroys his computer/grounded.
Okay, I'm going to my computer to play Roblox. What the? Are you kidding me? Why does Windows 10 support? I still want to get to Windows 11. That's it. I'm going to destroy my computer. Oh no! That was a loud bang. I hope my dad didn't hear it.
What was that noise? Tamir Brown's second clone. Did you destroy your computer?
Yes.
Tamir Brown's second clone. Why did you do that?
Because Windows 10 has ended their support and I don't want to upgrade to Windows 11. Because I hate Windows 11. Windows 10 is better than Windows 11.
Well, Tamir Brown's second clone. You know why Windows 10 support? Because it's 10-year support life cycle, a standard policy for Microsoft, and because of this, you are grounded for 3 weeks. Go to bed right now.
Wow.
Thanks for watching.